surprise. Huge surprise. Look at this. Men's sizes right here. You know, if you're a Browns fan or something like that. $16. $16 Jordan shorts. 270s. Are you serious? Are you serious? Grade school LeBron. Came here less than a week ago, but that trip was hella quick. I thought there was some Jordan 3s that released within the last couple days. I'm gonna have to look for those, but do got these Air Max 1s right here. Pretty nice, almost 50% off. KD 16s. I thought these would be further down by now. Still got one of these bad boys right here. Got the Barclays, these are $155. $65 for these right here, $30 off for these 2002 Rs. $60 off of these Romero 5s. I'm surprised they still got these. These have been sold out at most other spots. These are still $160 though. Got some Dunks, $20 off. We've seen these on sale like way more, haven't we? The SEs right here, been seeing these on sale everywhere. Some nice materials on them. All right, these are pretty nice at $60. What the hell are these? Got some grade school deals down here. Forces for $20 off. Air Max 90s, $20 off. First time we've seen the KD 17s on sale. It's only $25, but hey, that is a start. They're on sale already. We know that these will fall in fall. USA colorway right here since the Olympics are right. They're going on right now, my bad. $150 for those. New colorway that I haven't seen before. And they got these space looking ones right here. These are pretty nice. $160 for these. LeBron 21s, we've been seeing those on sale. This is one of the newer ones, so I'm glad to see those on sale. Still a huge fan of these. I keep forgetting to check mine at home to see if they look the same, because I do have the 2020 pair, full men's sizing right here, almost full men's sizing, $130 for those. This is a huge surprise. Huge surprise. Look at this, men's sizes right here. And this is well into the week, so several days after release, still available. The wet cement Jordan 4s, these are dope. I am a huge fan of them. I do like them. I've got a lot of mixed responses, whether people like them or not. I think they look fantastic, and I think the material's pretty freaking nice on these. Mostly nubuck. They got some suede up front. It's kind of interesting because it feels, I don't know, it kind of looks like it's that cracked leather, but I think it's just suede. It's just suede, but it feels a little different. But the material's pretty nice on these, and they're still available. $225. Got that extra cost on it because maybe they use premium material. I don't know. And got a trio of Dunks right here. We've been seeing some of these on sale, so not bad. Check out this Champs right here. $5 t-shirts, and this is the CSG brand. The CSG brand's not bad. Kind of like a dry fit material. I'm not the biggest fan of that material, but yeah, I did grab a bunch of these for my kiddo, and for $5, definitely worth it. I think these are normally like what, 15 or something. Yeah, $15 normally. They got sizes, white and black. Starting to see the Puma XLs on sale, the suede XLs that is. I am a huge fan of these. I think these look way better than the regular Pumas. I like the look of these a lot more. $85 for these right there. Those are down to $60. Maybe I should grab my boy one of these. He has a bunch of F1 shirts and they're all Pumas, and he likes the Dunks, so maybe these are an option. Then Chuck 70s. Oh, these ain't Chuck 70s. Why are these? The midsole looks a little different. Oh, it's not shiny. It's not shiny like the Chuck 70s. But $30 for these. These normally go for what, $60? $70 now? That's how much Chucks go for? But yeah, $70 down to $30. That's not too shabby at all. They do have different colorways of this. Maybe I can get my kiddo one of these. He is a high school kid, so you know, I think he would like this a little more than the suedes. I don't think he's into patent leather though. But yeah, these are $110 for these. I'm gonna have to talk to him. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these are the Lamellos, the 1 of 1 right there. This is casual line, the LaFrance casual line. These are pretty dope, dude. These are pretty dope. Just one of the new colorways of the Scoots. I don't think I've seen these. I think those for kiddos is perfect because so many kiddos like the hot Cheetos, right? But yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this color right here. All gray, pretty clean, $100. And then I've been telling you guys, if you guys want some of these mellows right here. Go check out Ross. I would also check out the Foot Locker outlet. If you guys have access to that in LA, they've had these for hella cheap. Do got the LeBrons down to $100. You've seen the LeBrons hella cheap at the outlets too, especially with that 40% off. These are 19 lows right here. What the hell are these doing here? $80. 19 lows? Holy crap. How are we seeing these? This is crazy. And yeah, they do have a couple of the LeBrons, the next gens right there. And then they got the black ones. These aren't on sale at all. $2. Who's paying $2 for LeBron 21s right now? And then this don't make no sense. This doesn't make any sense. The Zion 2 is still $115. And the real recent release, oh, well, hell of a lot more recent release. The Luka 2s, they're going for $60. The rest of them are $100. Got a couple more going for $100 right here. And this one's still going for regular price. I think this is the latest release though, so kind of seems to make sense. But yeah, those going for $115. That doesn't make any sense. They got the Zion 3s right there down to $100, and those are $115. I don't know. It just don't make sense right now, dude. Little sale section right here. Got the 550s. We've been seeing these on sale a ton. Converse. This looks like a size 25 right there, but I don't think that's more than an 11. Got a couple of Asics right here. Asics. They're okay. 650 right here, going for $50. A couple of them for $50. And the Trae Youngs for $60. That's crazy. That's offensive, man. Got more $5 shirts right here, different colors, I guess. Gray. They have a gray. I think these are all bigger ones. Yeah, double XLs and stuff like that. So that's not gonna work for me or my kiddo. Got some of these socks right here. This is a $10 bin. They got a lot of the same socks. Everyday socks for $10. That's not bad. Just hella bright colors. But some people like that, you know. I feel like the last week Sheiks had the best sales. Do they still have the 20% off? I don't know. They got the Hello Kitty. These just came out, I think yesterday or today. I don't know. These just came out. The Crocs. Yeah, they got these other ones. These are like the premium LeBrons that just came out. They're asking for like $225 for both of these. This one only has grade school for the 4s. No signs, but I did talk to the workers. They still do have 20% off all the sales items. So there's a ton of sales items that I see. Seeing if they have any dunks worth buying, especially with that 20% off for my kiddo. I think this one is an SC. This feels a little nicer. It's a retro. It's a dunk retro, which is a little nicer than the regular dunks. So $90, you do get that extra 20 off. That includes this as well. These Dumbo Junks. These ain't bad. The material, not the greatest fan of because it does have mesh, but you know, I like the look of it. You know, not bad. Especially at 80, and then you get that extra 20 off. That's like what, 64 bucks? They got the Dunk mids, the Panda mids right here, and then they got these going for 80. Not bad. These Cortezes right here, they go for what, $46, something like that. All these Air Forces right here on sale. This is the one with the gum bottoms right here. This has suede and some mesh on it. This entire row on sale as well. Some of them going down big time. Then these two right here. This one's a little weird with the exposed air unit. Never have I seen that. That's definitely interesting looking. Vomeros right here. $90, you get that extra 20 off. I think that might be the cheapest we've ever seen these. I think cheaper than the outlets, man. Got this colorway going slightly under $100. This colorway also going for slightly under $100. Air Force 88s. Look at this. $40. Really? $40? And then after the savings, 32 bucks. 32 freaking dollars. These are under 40 right here as well. And those are still a little over $100. Got kill shots right there, and then more Airmore Tempos. Those make it under 100 after that 20 off.
Shout you out.
Subscribers on the channel, definitely appreciate you guys.
Hey, subscribe to Crew Kicks. One of the greatest on YouTube.
Melvin and Jordan, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate it. Shout out to Melvin and Jordan. Definitely appreciate talking to you guys, chopping it up for a bit. But yeah, they got Jordans on sale, man. I've been showing these, but like it's just crazy to get these for 120 bucks right here. And these, most people don't got the sale ones no more, do they? The sale 5s right here with that soft nubuck. And Gore-Tex right here, close to 100 bucks. Close to $100. Is that the one that Ballinonabudget got? I don't remember. I think that's the one he got. $80. $80 for these bad boys right there. The Chambray 7s right here down to 120. These are down to 120 as well. Jordan 1 High OGs, and then these go under 120, man. That's what's up. Like 110 or something like that. Also the green glow Jordan 1s. Of course, these are gonna go on sale, right? We've seen them at the outlets and stuff. And these still on sale? These still on sale? Yeah, $16. $16 if you need to get your girl some shorts. You know, these match with all the bread items, which is dope. All these other stuff going for regular price though. Regular price. Oh, these are 20 as well. These are 20 as well. So if you got shattered backboards, or you know, if you're a Browns fan or something like that, $16 Jordan shorts. These are probably like what, $60 normally. Got Puma, what the hell are these called? Crop tops? I don't know. But t-shirts for women, 16, normally 30. Also got women's Vomeros, close to $100. Got Dunks, well under $100, especially after that 20% discount. What's this one? The nice little suede one, iridescent Nike logo on it, $115. They've been having these bad boys right here, hella cheap in the women's. Won't see Cortez cheaper than that. And this one right here, $30. 30 effing dollars for Cortez. And jumbo blazers, if you're a Dolphins fan right here, this is the sneaker for you, especially at $32. That's the savings. And then 270s right here. 270s, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. 70, and then you get that 20 off. What is that, like $56? Air Max 1 for women right here, go for hella cheap. More of the Cortez is all white. Got some Crocs if you need a little lift kit right here. Yeah, and then if you're on a bigger budget, $20, man. $20, you get another 20% off. Comes out to $16. And some more traditional Crocs right here, $25. $25, it is a little blingy, it is a little bit much. And then these platform superstars down to $80. And grade school LeBrons, are you serious? 30 something dollars for that one, $32 for that one. And then these are 70 and you get an extra discount. Wow. Still got these jerseys, 150, normally 200. We've seen them cheaper elsewhere, right? Where have we seen these? Is it a Champs outlet? But 150, you do get that extra 20% off right here. Ooh, this one, look at this one. Ooh, this one right here, this one's down to 100. Down to 100, and then you get another, oh, 95, my bad, 95, and then you get another 20% off. These Temu Solani, the white ones, that's what's up. But they just have the big sizes, double XL. The Shaq ones were on sale last time, 110. So these are under $100. Shaq LSU jerseys. This is $85 right here. This is a Steve Nash. And then the authentic Kobe Authentics, $250. And you get that extra discount, Kobe Authentics, $275 for those. Okay, so they even have a few of the Authentics on sale. That's not bad. I need to get my kids some Pumas. Maybe some of these? Maybe some of these? Does that match his F1 stuff? He has a black shirt. That'll match his black stuff right there. These all pros right here go for 70. Okay. All right, I did skip over Foot Locker. All right, we got a couple more stores though. Looks like they did sell out on all the 4s. I just realized wet cement sounds so stupid. Why do people call it the wet cement? But yeah, they got those right there. The Bread 4 Hydros. Got a few Jordans on sale. Comforts right here. These things that nobody's asking for. Got multiple up-tempos here. The Olympic colorway. I like these mocha ones. These ain't bad. 180 though. Definitely not paying 180. I do like the fact that most of it is suede. I am a huge fan of these bad boys. Still got the foams right here. They always use the really, really nice material on the foams. I'm a huge fan of those. Curries. I feel like Curries were on sale at some spots, but I guess not here. That is a size 10. It's going for 170. Speaking of foams, they still got these bad boys right here. 140 for the LeBron 4s. Right here. These are tanks just like the foams. And if you want different colorways of the Vomeros, they still got them here, go for pretty much $100. This one was a little cheaper at that sheet though. And then 140 for the LeBrons right here. Do got some Blazers, Air Maxes. Do got Air Forces also on sale. And these insane huge dunks right here going for $80, size 13. I thought they looked way bigger. Did I show this colorway? This is a pretty dope colorway right here. But yeah, Detroit Lions colorway right there, going for 100. Oh wait, they got this one too. Is this one of the newer ones that went on sale? I don't really recognize this colorway, but that's not bad, not bad. The women's section got a few more items on sale. Size 10 Ultra Boost 21s right here, $90. $90 at a retail store. That's pretty crazy. And then you see these for 80 right here. These are Ultra Boosts as well. Holy cow. Holy cow. And then 100 for these. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. These are a size 7. I am looking for a size 6, but I don't want to pay $100. Got more Ultra Boosts right here. Go for 90 and 327s. Got a couple of them for $50, and then 550s right here. Backside right here got some Dunk low twist. These are all women's right here. And Air Maxes below. Like, people just aren't into Air Maxes. The younger kids just cannot stand the Air Maxes. That's why all of them are on sale, $80. Man. And dude got Jordans right here, $60. What are these going for? What are these going for? What are these going for? Come on, come on, come on. $90 for these bad boys right here. Some Dunk Hawk with tons of satin on it, go for 70. UNC to Chicago Jordan 1 Low OGs, smaller sizes only on those though. And then there is a Borders right here. I think they have a raffle going on. Well, all the other skate shops do. They have a raffle going on with some Quick Strike Dunks. Still got a few Dunks left over here. This is huge. What is this? 13? Yep, 13 last pair. And these still available. And of course, white and black. They still got a ton of skate shoes back here. These are all like 40 and 50% off. And they got some good stuff here. They have multiple rows. They got Lakai, Converse right here. Got America, New Balance as well. Let me see what's up with these New Balance. These are the 808. These are 808s? No, these ain't. What the hell, man? Why are these the only ones? Yeah, these right here are the 808s. So what the hell? Yeah, the Thiago Limos. Yeah, these are 50% off. These are normally 110. You get that 50 off. They also got 1010s right here. These are one of my favorites right here, to be really honest. 55 for these bad boys right here. I really like the color blocking on these. Man, these ain't bad for $55. They got plenty of sizes. And we saw these at the Adidas out. We saw these at the New Balance outlet, and I think they were similar prices. I think actually they were more. I think they were more there. So better deal here. They have the 808s right here. These look really nice, like a wheat colorway. BSRBs, remember, 50 off for these. These are going for 90. Got iShots right here. These are going for 40% off, 115. They got all kinds of stuff right here. They got Vans, tons and tons of Vans. 50% off tons of this type of stuff. Make sure you guys check them out if you guys are into skate shoes. Got some decent street skate gear right here. Yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. $55 for that. Seems like decent material. And all kinds of forums and stuff like that. I've showed them a ton of times. Remember, these are the Forum 84s. So much better than the regular forums. Leather's just so nice. 50% off a bunch of these. Yeah, these are freaking dope, dude. These are dope. $100, 110, depends on which colorway when they came out. But definitely worth it. If you like the pandas right here, you know, like the SB Dunk, the black and whites, then the white and blacks with the gum. You know, these are on sale, or that one's on sale, not that one. But definitely worth the stop, you guys. We're out in Culver City. Their additional 20% off, it does end this Sunday. First place I've seen these on sale, the lattes. So $160. But have we seen these fours recently? The olives? I don't think we have. They got buy one, get one free right here. Those are men's pairs for sure. So not surprised at all.